Hello, what's good everybody? Good morning. This is Aziz Sani speaking, your friendly Forex market analyst from Alex Academy. Before we get started, we're going to go through with all of the pairs that we have taken for the past couple of days. I believe we have skipped 1 week with you guys, right? So the reason why we skip it is because we were a bit busy coping around with our CSR program as well as coping with our UITM project. Alright, so I will keep that as a surprise for you guys. So without wasting time, let's go through with all of the pairs that we have taken for the past couple of days. See ya. Let's go. Okay, so for the first pair, US30 USD Dow Jones. Alright, so for this particular pair, we caught this trade during our live trade session. It was on Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. So for this particular pair, we caught in a total of 503 pips in total. Sharp. There you go. For the second pair, XAU USD, this was also caught during our live trade session on Wednesday. But unfortunately, we only get to catch at around 150 pips in total. Partial close it. Second position, XAU USD on gold. We caught this position on Wednesday as well during our live trade session. And for this particular pair, we caught at around 150 pips. Partial close it, and some of it hit our BE. For the third pair, EURJPY, as you can see for EURJPY, it almost hit our SL, but then again, it survived and respected our inner trend line and now is currently running at around 185 pips in total. It almost hit our SL, but then again, it respected our inner trend line, and for the full run, we get to catch at around 185 pips in total. And for the fourth one, GBPJPY, as you guys can see for GBPJPY, it went perfectly fine through our medium risk zone. Alright, and we had a good run for 256 pips in total. And so last but not least, USD CAD, perfectly fine, except that we had to float our position at around 2 days. But in the total run, we had a good run for 130 pips in total. Right, and voila, not so much of a trade for us, but then again, it was a very quality trade. So without wasting time, let's go through the market and see what the market has for us for this week. Let's go. Okay, so for the first signal, let's go for GBPJPY. For GBPJPY, based on elliott wave counting, alright, based on elliott wave structure and also the structure that we are seeing for this week. Again, just like to remind you guys, don't forget that this is Monday, so we let price close a little bit. But as of elliott wave counting, we get to see that there is high chances of probability for us to buy at these three suggested zones. Alright, for the high risk zone, 181.165, 180.992, 180.475, 182.62. That is for the middle risk zone, and for the low risk zone, 179.998, 179.785. So the idea is for the price to reach at these three suggested zone, either those three suggested zone, before it fly off following its original momentum and trend. However, again, just would like to remind you guys that it's war season, so investors might push their assets towards safe haven currency, meaning JPY has incredible chance of strengthening. So please be careful if you guys are buying later on. If you guys are planning to look for any buying opportunity, please be careful and please calculate your risk and reward ratio. Alright, there are two probabilities. Alright, one is this suggested zone that we just showed you guys. Alright, the second probability is based on the structure here. Alright, based on the structure given here, this is a low risk area for this particular structure right here. So according to FIBO, there's high chances of the price to climb or to fly from this particular area right here, regardless whatever it is. Again, just would like to remind you guys, it's Monday. Do not rush for your entry points and do not rush for any positions. Stay tuned, relax, and just watch the market. Alright, anything, I'll let you know on Alex Academy. Okay, so for EURJPY, this is the second signal for the day. For EURJPY, I do believe that there is high chances for the price to go a little bit lower. However, based on the current structure and based on the structure that is given by the market today, based on the structure for EURJPY, we do believe that there is high chances for the price to go a little bit lower before the price continue its bullish trend towards wave 3. All right. So for the suggested zone, as you guys can see, price is currently price has already reacted towards our medium risk zone. However, it is best believed that the price might come down again towards our low risk zone. All right. So it is best believed that there might be a chance for us to buy the market on EURJPY, and the zones prepared are 157,111, 156,970. That is our medium risk zone right here. And for our low risk zone, 156,797, 156,657. Okay, so again, would like to remind you, for this one, it is a JPY pair, so please be careful during war times. All right, so last pair of the day. I know, there's not much for us to show, but don't worry, it's Monday. All right, it's Monday, so if there's any update, I will for sure let you guys know on Alex Academy Telegram channel. So please stay tuned and just watch out the group. All right, invite your family, your mom, your dad, your grandma, or whoever, each of your family members to come in our Alex Academy Telegram channel, so that you guys won't miss any chances at all. Okay, so anyhow, for EURUSD, our last pair of the day, as you guys can see, we are assuming that the price is currently ongoing for its sideways motion, hence why we are giving you 3 zones, all right, as usual, but this time it is for sideways zones. All right, so it is best believed for the price to drop down a little bit up to this support level, as well as this support channeling trend line. But based on candlestick pattern, all right, just based on candlestick pattern, this is H4. Do you see this red and green candle? This is what we call as bullish kicker. All right, so normally after candlestick pattern of bullish kicker, price would normally fly off and move to its direction. However, again, I would like to remind you that war is currently ongoing, so people might shift their investment to USD pairs. So whatever it is, please be careful. All right, please be very careful on this particular trade. But then again, based on technical basis, we get to see that there is high probability chances for the price for us to swing this pair on buying positions. All right, so the zones that we are talking about is 1.04886, 1.04702. That is our support range. All right, and for our midpoint range, that is 1.05663, 1.05436, and for our resistance line, 1.06170, 1.05943. all right, as per told, we are expecting to buy our position at this support zone right here, but based on candlestick pattern, there might be high chances for the price to fly off straight to its destination. So regardless, please be careful and please trade safe. All right, there you go, guys. Quality setups for the week. There's not much of us to see, but then again, just would like to highlight everyone. At the current moment, the market is a bit volatile and it doesn't really move according to technical. Reason being is because there's a big war going on. Okay, there's a big war going on in between Palestine as well as Israel, and also there are some other trade wars that is going on around the world, which makes all of the investors shift their assets towards safe haven currency. So as you all know, for safe haven currency, we have gold, we have USD, we have Swiss franc, we have JPY. Hence why all of the setups are mostly fundamental influence, you see. So regardless whatever is going to happen for the week, I wish you all the best, trade safe, and don't forget to calculate your risk and reward ratio. So then again, I'll see you guys on next week. Assalamualaikum. Happy trading, guys.